Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this. So this is a 70 Dodge Power Wagon, and this is by Hotwheels, and this is from their Mudstard series, and this is a 2023 edition. Okay, let's unbox and see how it looks. Let's throw this away. Yeah, here it is. Okay, this is a bit heavy. Wow, the tires are really huge. Okay, I was expecting a huge tires, but this is actually too huge. It has some good detailing to it. I can say decent detailing, but nothing crazy here. This rolls really smooth. It rolls really smooth. I think we can use this on track. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.